This is Nancy with Small Appliances. Today I want to show you how to grate cheese with a Black & Decker food processor. We have the base part here. We have the grating disc, the top, cheese here, and also the stem, okay, that we're going to be using. We're not going to be using this blade, so set that aside. You want to ignore the dogs playing with their toys in the background. You want to place the basin onto the base. Now let me show you. It fits so that the right side, the handle goes on the right side. It needs to line up with this hole right here. Not this one, but this one. Stick on the right until it always goes right there. All right, next you take the stem, the middle center blade. This is going to connect to the motor and spin this top. And you set that in. And then you need to decide whether you're going to grate or if you're going to slice. So if the slicer sharp edge is up, you're going to slice. This part's smooth. If you flip it and set it on the top middle nozzle like that, if the blade, if these little bumps here are sticking up, like right here, it's going to cut right there. It's going to cut into the cheese, and that's what you want. All right, next step. Take your lid. This is the lid. See how it has a nubby sticking out? That nubby has to lock into this little section right here. So we're going to take it. It's got to go on from the back to the front. So set it so that it's in the back, like so. Twist until it locks into that section there. That's the safety lock. All right, next step. Go down, make sure it's plugged in. I need to get my pusher. Use the pusher to push this in. I used another piece of cheese to push it through. That'll work. The cheese down there looks great. To remove, you push this back, lift, and you will have one tiny little piece or two of cheese that remains. As you push the cheeses through, it usually takes care of the little pieces. I didn't run it for very long. And then you lift this up, and there's the cheese. Please use the pusher to push the cheese or your products through, your food through, so you don't hurt your fingers, okay? That's what I have to say here. I gotta go find my pusher so I can finish grating my cheese. I wanna thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, write them down below. Thank you for watching.